Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Taylor 8-section rotary door clamp. If you have questions about pricing, availability, or if you have surplus machines you'd like to sell, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are located in-house and that we do not broker tools to ensure quality. We are also processing anywhere from 40 to 50 additional machines, so check back often, as we do not list machines until they've been thoroughly cleaned and tested. Again, this is a Taylor 8-section rotary door clamp. Rotary door clamps are extremely hard to find. This one has a generous 42-inch by 86-inch capacity per section. We did scrape all the glue off of it. It's nice and clean. Fixed the air leaks. It is foot pedal actuated. Basically, you have a reverse on the right, forward on the left. You simply back it off, pull this forward, and you can move forward. Slide this back forward, slowly rotate it forward, and you are good to go. If you notice, this particular machine does have 3 horizontal clamps instead of 2. 4 vertical clamps. That's a total of 7 clamps per section, or 56 clamps total. This machine is capable of up to 400 doors a day. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.